Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video today. Recently on my channel, you guys have seemed to show an interest in this particular video. I've got a lot of questions about this product, how to use it, where can I use it, questions like what does it do, how long do the results take, and stuff like that. I want to kind of like demonstrate how to use it for you guys because this product is very much multi-purpose. Of course, I am talking about the glycolic acid toner from The Ordinary. This one right here. Let me give you guys a good close-up. This one. Very important to note, I am not sponsored by The Ordinary. This is not a sponsored video. This is just something that has worked for me. So these are literally just my own thoughts. This is a product that worked for me a lot when it comes to like dealing with hyperpigmentation, body odor, and so much more things that I want to get into. This really did help me. That's why this video is not sponsored. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this video, let's jump right into exactly that. Right, so first question is, what exactly is this product and what does it do? Why do you rave about it over and over again? Now, there's a reason why that YouTube short was labeled hyperpigmentation hack. The reason is this is an exfoliating toner that specifically will target hyperpigmentation. This is something that I tried and tested out for my body hyperpigmentation. I had a terrible uneven skin tone, a discoloration, hyperpigmentation across my whole entire body. That's basically how I found this product. I'm talking about a dark neck. My face and my neck just literally didn't match. I had like really dark elbows, dark knees, and also like dark underarms as well. Like I've got like 2 videos specifically about my underarms and the difference that this product made. Yeah, so this made a huge difference in brightening that in such a short amount of time. So this being an exfoliating toner, what it basically means is it will exfoliate your skin. So it will penetrate deep into your skin and remove the dead skin cells, the dirt, and whatever it is that's causing that hyperpigmentation. It will basically slow down that process, so your dark spots are not going to get darker, hyperpigmentation is not going to get darker, and in turn it will basically start to brighten to match the rest of your body. That's basically the job of this when it comes to hyperpigmentation and targeting like uneven skin tone, blemishes, dark spots. Another thing that is fantastic for is skin texture. It actually says on the bottle here is a daily AHA toner to improve skin's texture. So if you struggle with like large pores, I used to have like really bad large pores on my nose area, my chin area. This definitely exfoliated that and smoothed it out and kind of like shrunk my pores as well. I might also say that it's good for like if you have rough skin. So if you have like rough skin on your arms, it's known as like KP. You can apply it to the area. It's fantastic. Glycolic acid is something that's quite known for targeting KP. It really helps me smooth out that texture. So it's great for hyperpigmentation, it's great for smoothing out your skin texture, and it's also great for odor control. What I mean by this, you can apply it to the underarms. So you can apply it to your underarms. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and it will basically eliminate odor. Like, it's fantastic. Like, this product is very much multi-purpose. When I'm applying it to my skin, my body, wherever it is, I like to use a cotton pad. Now, you can get these cotton pads basically anywhere. I personally like to use a cotton pad because I feel like it gives me control. I used to apply it to the palm of my hands and then dab it directly to the affected area. That also works out well, but then I feel like cotton pad, I don't know, I like it. So yeah, so what I do is literally just, let me give you guys a close-up. Bottle and just a few drops like so. And when I'm applying it to my face, I will just literally make sure my face is nice and clean and then just apply it like so. And then just behind my ears as well. This is like a crucial point. This is where I get like a lot of hyperpigmentation. I apply it just behind my ears like so. So that's basically my face done. This is how I would apply it to my face. So this is the first area. This is one of my favorite places to put glycolic acid. So it's very important to note that you only want to use this at nighttime. So I only apply it to my face at nighttime. Basically, I only use this product at nighttime. My body, my face, wherever. It makes your skin a bit sensitive to the sun, and you can do more damage if you use it during the day. So I let this sit on my face for like 10 minutes or so, and then I will apply a moisturizer, and that is it. This product is quite strong. I try not to use it with other serums and toners. When I'm using this product, it's basically the only skincare that I'll do. Right now, there's nothing on my face except this, and then I'll go in with a moisturizer. So that's basically my face done. So this is for anyone that struggles with blemishes on the skin, dark marks. Try to avoid your under eye area. So I wouldn't say like dark circles, but definitely like dark marks. If you've got like areas on your skin that have like hyperpigmentation, if you've got like a dark like mouth area, this is really, really good. It's just basically evening out your skin. This is good. The next area that I like to apply this is my underarms. So how I do this is exactly the same. After the shower, my nighttime shower, I'll apply it to the cotton pad like so. Then I'll basically just apply it to my underarms like so. I love this because it's like a 2-in-1 action. If you have underarm hyperpigmentation, which is very common, that's something I used to really, really struggle with and kind of like still do. This will basically brighten that. It is so good, guys. Second thing that I noticed personally is odor. If you're someone that sweats a lot like me, I'm always running around after my toddler, so I tend to get sweaty during the day. This basically helps me control odor. Like, I'm not really too sure how it does this, but the girlies put me onto this, and I'm pushing you guys on to this as well. Okay, so next up, we're talking about body hyperpigmentation, areas on your body that you're more prone to hyperpigmentation. This is your elbows, your knees, bikini line, inner thighs, what else? That's basically where I used to struggle with. So this again, very, very handy. Same thing as I did before. Apply it to the cotton pad, or you can apply it to your hands, but I prefer to apply it to cotton pad like I was saying, and then just literally put it onto your elbows like so. If you have like dark knuckles or anything like that, or you've got like sun damage wherever, just apply it to that area as well. And then your knees, you guys can't see, but it's literally the same thing. You would apply it to your knees just like you've applied it to your elbows. And then your bikini line, same thing. Apply it, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then just use your body moisturizer, and then off to bed or like off to whatever you do at nighttime. But that's basically how I would do it. And I feel like it's just so ideal anyway. Even though you do have to use it at nighttime, I find it's just so ideal because you just go in literally straight to bed, so you don't have to worry about putting extra sunscreen on. You don't have to worry about, you know, avoiding the sun and stuff like that. This is just good. It's giving it good time to work during the night when you're sleeping. Those are basically my hot points where I apply this product. This product has done great things for me. So when it comes to results now, because I know that's what people care about, that's what I care about. Results, I want to say that it took me a solid 2 weeks on my face, because my face is quite sensitive, so I react to products quickly. Like, my skin reacts quickly on my face. So I want to say it took me like 2 weeks to notice like my skin was getting brighter, like my face was getting brighter, the dullness was kind of like starting to go. It took about 2 weeks, I would say. 4 weeks, I was sold. 4 weeks, I was like, there's no way, like nothing else is working this fast. It's definitely this glycolic acid, like 100%. 4 weeks, that's when I was like, okay, this is a keeper. And then when it comes to my body, it took a little bit longer. So I want to say it took about 5 to 6 weeks for me to see results on like my elbows, knees, underarms, especially, just because the skin is tougher on your like this area on your elbows and knees and stuff like that. So it takes a lot longer to like penetrate, exfoliate that area, remove the dead skin cells, and just like lift that hyperpigmentation. So that's probably why it took me a longer time to see the results. But yeah, so still like very, very good. Like, now when it comes to where I got this from the Boots here in the UK. So this is actually my probably like 4th bottle. The first couple of times I got them online, I think Beauty Bay, I did gamble with Amazon, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it is a certified like seller on Amazon. I think you could possibly find it in Sephora if you're in the US. Here in the UK, Boots, you guys, Boots, £7. I think it was on offer, £7. I'm impressed with how long it lasts. So basically that's the end of this video. So that's basically all I can kind of say about this product. I think I've answered most of the questions that have been asked of me, but I thought it would be easier just to make a video about it because yeah, I just hope it's helpful. It might be helpful to someone out there. So yeah guys, that's my little quick video on this specific product. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will get back to you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will catch you on my next one later. Bye.